Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how to update Microsoft Word on your computer. Keeping Microsoft Word up to date is important because updates can include new features, security improvements, bug fixes, and better performance. Before you start, I recommend saving any document you're currently working on, just to make sure you don't lose any changes during the update process. Now open Microsoft Word. You can be inside a blank document or an existing document. It doesn't really matter. Once Word is open, go to the top left corner and click on File. This will open the main Word menu. Now look at the bottom left side of the screen and click on Account. On the Account page, look for Update Options. Click on Update Options, and you'll see a few different choices such as Update Now, Disable Updates, View Updates, and About Word. To check for the latest version, click Update Now. Microsoft Word will now check for available updates. If an update is available, it will begin downloading and installing automatically. You may need to close Word or other Microsoft Office apps for the update to finish, so make sure your work is saved before continuing. Once the update is complete, you can reopen Microsoft Word and start using the latest version, and that's it. That's how you update Microsoft Word on your computer. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more simple software tutorials.